I'll play to you an example or two of how to reach out to a potential membership candidate who you want to invite to go on a quick call with you so you sign them into your $97 per month membership program subscription. For you to get your first 5, 6, 7, 8 or 10 people signed up, you could simply message a few of warm people who you put on the list and invite them to go on a call with you, and then you can sign them into your program. Just following this outreach method to some warm candidates who you already spoke with in the past, or people who you think that could benefit of your program or so, if you just reach out to them, you can sign 5, 6, 7, 10 people into your program. This method is called how to talk to people method, right? It suggests you that you write a few people down on the list, you reach out to them, you go on quick 10-minute calls, and you sign them into your program. Enjoy these examples. Okay, you have how many contacts? 11, very good.
I have, yeah.
So you see, you put them all here. 2 of them are members. Is that correct that they're already members, those
Yeah.
2?
Yeah.
Let us go now to the opportunities.
Okay.
Because it seems that you tagged all of these people outreach.
Yes.
Okay. And
only the 2 people were tagged as members.
Yeah, exactly. So you see how they all appeared here on the left, right?
Yep.
Okay, my job with you now is, and even Cristina, the same thing. If your people appeared in the opportunities there on the left now, we need to now ask them a certain thing, a certain question. All right? And
Okay.
both of you, like myself, I have a script idea of what to say to them. Right? Now, so you already have Vincent a script as well at the bottom. I can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, open this in a new tab. So look, you're gonna scroll down a bit. You know, by the way, this script is explained in my video in the course. So if someone needs more explanation of how this all goes, it's better to watch a video ahead of time just to get a little knowledge ahead, because otherwise I need to re-explain the whole thing right now. All right. By the way, all of these people that you have put in the contacts, you already know them, correct? Because we need to know that, all right? Because here is one stage called connect and pre-qualify at first, right? This is a mini stage for those who we really have not connected with yet or spoken a lot in the past. We rather ask them just a mini question first, like, hey, where are you at in regards to, I don't know, manifestation, right? What are you up to, right? So, but look, for those people that you brought up right now, you already have talked to in the past. So now you have 3 options here of what to say to invite them for a call. You pick from any of these 3 options, whichever you like, or you can create your own option combining both of them 3. My point being that the option 1 is tell them about your program support group. Tell them about that. You DM them, you email them, and you say, hey, I worked on creating a support community on this topic, right? So I have created this community now, or a program or whatever. I thought of you participating as well here with me in this support group or in this program. Would you be open to know more about it? And would you want to speak with me about it? This is, by the way, just a template idea that you can turn into your own words, all right? But the first option here was, hey, I have created this support community or support or a membership, right? Or however you want to call it, or a school community, or I don't know, private community. Would you want to know more about it? Would you like to speak about it, right? That's option 1. To be honest, I want to take Cristina and later your example, all right? We can write one for you together down, all right? So we learn how to use our own, but we need to know these options. Because the other option is that you don't even say that there is a support community, but you rather tell that person that you are ready, that you are looking for someone to work with together to become your awesome success case study. Or you can tell them, I'm looking to really get results for someone. Would you want to speak with me about it? So, but we need to understand the mindset behind this idea, because this person still will need to pay us. We need to know how to then talk with them on a call. You know, you can say, hey, I created this awesome method of how you can really achieve this outcome, how you can really transform your life. You can tell them, I really look forward to get you results to someone. I'm looking to create a blah, 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 and help you. Would you be open to talking about it? When could we speak, you tell them. So you see, we invite them for a call. That's an option 2. And there is an option 3 as well, which is a little old style advanced one, because I used to use this a lot. And it's more like just value driven. Hey, I learned how to achieve this outcome. I could share with you some feedback on how you can achieve it as well. We could speak on a Zoom call and exchange ideas. when can we speak? Don't use this one, all right? This is an advanced one. This is how I book a lot of calls. I used to book a lot of calls through this. I was like, hey, I know you want to achieve that outcome. I already did it. We can go on a Zoom call. We can exchange ideas and blah. And then I made a sell. But that's why I made it an option 3. Choose one of those first 2. I really want to write 1 or 2 down with you together right now, if we can do that in these 10 minutes. Vincent, you're going to pick one example from those contacts. You're going to tell me a little bit more about them, and we're going to formulate one here, all right? In fact, we'll just push this down, and we're going to be here, example 1, all right?
Okay.
Go now to the list and pick one person, all right? Anyone, and I'll help you, but I want to, meanwhile, stop sharing. Try, Vincent, to use any of those 2 methods and even try to write on your own something right now into the example.
Okay.
And I will speak with Cristina as well. But if you have any questions, Vincent, just let me know. Right? Cristina, could you do the same thing? If you want, I could help you formulate one example right now. So if you could go into the context or just think about and open a notepad if you want, or open that Google Doc. Give me 1 or 2 facts. Tell me verbally about this person. Just what did you speak with her about in the past?
She is trying to she's having challenges with getting past through some habits that she wants to, just let go. And she talked about self-sabotage, and then she's trying to, she feels like she has blockages.
Good. I don't need to know those details too much right now. But what we need to know is, did you already mention her about the program coming up soon?
I did call her, and she said, because I was offering her to either book healing session with me, or if she wanted, I talked to her about the school, like that will be integration and also working with me. So she said that the membership, the school will be probably more suited for her.
See, we need to know these things, because now you can message this person, all right, and write down what you're gonna say, please. You're gonna write because you type faster, and say this. Hey, Desiree, or what's her name, right? Hey, you, right? You say that. Hey, and then put comma, break down, please, and say, I am messaging you, and I'm very excited to tell you that I have my private school community ready, or something like that. Right here, where you say my school ready, you need to maybe use different words, right? Maybe make it more understandable. Like, I have this new community, this school, this membership. Or private community or so, right?
I'm gonna private community support.
Yeah, private support community ready. So now here is the thing. Okay, I'm sorry I'm clicking for you, but we are a little short on time. We need to break down now and say this.
No worries.
Yeah, we don't want to tell her about price points right now and how it all works. We don't want to do those things. You're just going to say, I would love to go on a 10-minute call with you to discuss how it all looks like and how we are going to. Now here you need to plug in the outcome, right? How we gonna achieve this together? How we are going to, I don't know, you need to put now you need to know what the value is, right? How we are going to transform your life forever together, Maybe just put that now down for the template.
How it
you put smiley on the end. Yes, and then you can put smiley or whatever, and then you can finish breakdown and put one more last question. And this is what we need to learn as part of the template. You say, I am free tomorrow, I don't know, 6 p.m., whatever time. Just do this as a template right now. Free tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central or whichever.
PST, I'm PST now.
Yes, comma. Would this time work for you as well to speak? Question mark. So now you have a template idea to message those contacts with, okay? And you see, you are now invited.
I have 3 that were pretty warm about this.
Yeah, so I'll just wrap it up. But
Sorry to interrupt. I was just saying,
that's an idea. You see how you're gonna message this first person, and then you're gonna go into the contacts opportunities pipeline in the CRM, and you're gonna move this person to the right that you already asked her. All right, and you're gonna do this with a few people. All right.
Okay. Yes.
Vincent, were you able to write 2 or 3 examples down, or one, or how did you go? This person, right? What do you know about her? Can you tell me about her a little bit?
Yeah, so I had a conversation with her And I was ready. Remember yesterday I told you that I signed 2 people up for like a high ticket for a year. Yeah. So she was one of them, but I guess she said the price was a little bit much for her, right? So that's why I have phrased it the way I phrased it, that
Yes.
I kind of broke it down to that $97 a month to be able to, so that's the
So
story behind why.
here is
Yeah.
what I will tell you first, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Here
sir.
we kind of want to be a little careful if we are stating any prices already in the outreach script,
Okay.
because it could bounce that person away from trying to go on a call with you or reply or whatever, because they don't understand still the value behind the 97 with you, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
we would rather skip this information in the DM right now, except if you really got her that far that you know that she just was waiting and want to sign, Vincent, understand one thing, okay? There exists something called closing sales in the DMs. Some clients who we spoke with in the past, I mean potential clients, can be closed in the DMs, some of them. Sometimes I go on a call with someone and we agree on the whole thing and they're just like, hey, send me the link later. I can close that person in the DMs. I'll be like, hey, here is the link. Subscribe right now. We're going to meet in 3 days on a one-on-one call and you're going to get access to the whatever. We'll do so that's called closing in the DM. I don't think this person is ready to be closed in the DMs without going on a call. So I would rather say, hey, how are you? I would say, how are you? I have news for you or whatever, right?
Okay.
We spoke last time. I have worked on creating a support community for us. Instead of with a discount, rather bring in the value here.
Okay.
Community on what kind of topic, all right? Put here community on what, right? The outcome, the value, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. My goal is to meet with you, I would say. To meet with you and discuss how we can, all right? Meet with you and discuss how we can. Not even like get you started, all right? But how we can just create amazing results together, all right?
Okay. Okay.
And create that testimonial. Okay, see, I don't know about this, what that means, second month of the year, right? I mean, like,
Yeah, I guess I spoke with her in January when I held like a mini webinar, and that's how I gathered all the list of people that I put in my Go High level. And so I guess that's why I'm mentioning that part.
However, that could be maybe thrown out, all right? Maybe.
Okay.
But you can
Sure.
bring it back. My goal is
Sure.
to meet with you and discuss how we can create amazing results together, all right? And a testimonial in exchange, all right?
Okay.
Now you need to do a better this. I thought of sharing with you how you can participate as well and support one another, right? Let's reread. How are you? I have news for you. As we spoke last time, I worked on finalizing or creating this, support community. Even here, you need to say as part of it. No, my goal is to meet you and how we can create amazing results together. I would love to invite her for a call, right? I would want us to meet privately on Zoom and discuss how this between us will look like, all right?
Okay.
Maybe, okay, you can compare this version and the other one and, and then do this works really well for me. I say, I am free tomorrow, I don't know, whatever time you're going to put here, all right? Would that work for you as well, all right?
Okay.
So you see, I say, I'm free. What about you? I don't say, are you free tomorrow?
That's right.
I mean, those are small things that I learned that work really well. And they will be like, okay, cool. And then you're going to do the second step.
Okay.
I still have a feeling that this could be just a touch improved. Like I've worked on creating a support group community and I need here as part of it, right?
As part of it, yeah.
My goal with you is to privately, I don't know, like I want to say that it's both, right? Not just a community, but it's also private energy field.
Okay.
Polish this on your own a bit, all right? Later.
Okay.
Send it out to her and to another person or so. And come up with more examples. You can run them through me as well if you want, all right? Any questions?
No, it's pretty clear. Actually, I sent it to her yesterday and we responded and said she's in a training now, so she'll hit me up later today so that we can meet.
Okay, so what you did worked as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Keep this template for the future ones, but you see, sometimes things don't need to be perfect. So look, I'll just do one last thing here. I want you to go to the app now
Okay.
to show you how you now manage that contact who you reached out to, all right? For example, that person should be here in the opportunities and you need to kind of find that person, correct? And if you asked her, move her now to the right, and in fact, she said she's gonna come back to you. In fact, she could be go one step further and invite her for a call because she's already on the edge. You just now need to follow up and say, all right, cool, have you finished with your training? I mean, are you free tomorrow or whatever? You now need to push her forward, all right? Put her there to the right. It seems that it jumped back. But you see, I need you now to move as many people from the left to the right, all right? Okay, we need to move 10 people from the left to the right here.
To the right, okay.
You're gonna make it work, all right?
Yes, sir.
Vincent, let's get back to one another later, okay? Or tomorrow, if you're free anytime.
I think today I have to make sure I get everything done.
Try to just do 5 of those today, maybe, all right?
Okay.
And then you can report to me, like tomorrow, message me. Actually, every day at this time, I'll be here from now on. Almost. Okay. So we will be able to go faster, all right?
Okay. Okay, sounds good.
All right, message me soon and otherwise on Friday, all right? We see each other.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay. Thank you.